In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax information to your TikTok Shop Seller Center. Let's get started. To begin, you need to log in to your TikTok Shop Seller Center dashboard. Once you've successfully entered the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. You'll want to focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll spot an icon that resembles a small person or a shop. This is your account menu. Go ahead and click on that icon. By doing so, you'll open a convenient drop-down menu that provides access to different areas of your account. Within this drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled My Account. Select My Account, which will take you seamlessly to your account management page. Now, over on the left-hand side of this page, there's a menu with several options. Look for the one that says Account Settings. This is crucial for setting up your tax information. Click on Account Settings, and you'll see a detailed view with several adjustable settings. From here, you'll want to locate and click on Tax Information. This particular section is dedicated to handling all your business tax details within TikTok Shop. As you click on Tax Information, a new page will load, providing specific fields that need to be filled out accurately. Here's where you need to be meticulous. Make sure to input your legal business name, your tax identification number, and any other requested details precisely as they show on your official tax documents. It's essential to avoid any mistakes here, as even a tiny error can cause headaches later on. Once you've carefully filled in every required field, take an extra moment to double-check all your entries for accuracy. When you're confident everything is correct, scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for the button that says Save or Submit. Click it to finalize your entry. The system may take a short while to verify your information, so don't worry if it doesn't confirm instantaneously. As soon as TikTok Shop processes and approves your tax details, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your tax information has been successfully added. And there you have it. You've successfully added your tax information to your TikTok Shop Seller Center. It's important to remember to keep this information updated whenever necessary to stay compliant and avoid any potential issues with your shop operations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok Shop tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.